Evaluate the effectiveness of software tools used to develop data visualizations. Software tools used to develop data visualizations vary in effectiveness depending on the needs of the enterprise. For example, a retail company analyzing national sales data may first use spreadsheets such as Microsoft Excel to create simple dashboards with charts and pivot tables. Spreadsheets are effective for small to medium datasets because they are easy to use and allow quick calculations, but they become less efficient with very large big datasets and real-time updates. The company may then use presentation software such as Microsoft PowerPoint to communicate results to managers. This is effective for clearly presenting analyzed data with visuals and explanations, but it is static and does not allow live interaction. For more advanced needs, the enterprise may use business analytics services such as Microsoft Power BI Software as a Service SaaS. These tools are highly effective because they connect to data warehouses, update in real time, provide interactive dashboards, and support predictive analytics. However, they may require subscriptions and staff training. Finally, custom software solutions developed specifically for the enterprise can be very effective because they are tailored to the company's needs, integrate directly with internal systems, and provide high scalability. However, they are expensive and require ongoing maintenance. Overall, spreadsheets are suitable for basic analysis. Presentation software is effective for communication. Analytics services provide powerful real-time insights, and custom solutions offer flexibility and scalability. The most effective choice depends on data size, budget, enterprise goals, and decision-making.
Overall, the effectiveness of data visualization tools depends on the size, complexity, and purpose of the enterprise data, with more advanced tools providing greater insight, scalability, and decision-making support.